Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Calumet City to near Manhattan, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tinley Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Lansing, Dolton, Park Forest, Madison, Mokina, Frankfort, Steger, Flossmoor, Linwood, Glenwood, University Park, Posen, Olympia Fields, Burnham, Oak Forest, Harvey, and South Holland. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 332 and 349. Interstate 80 between mile markers 149 and 155. Interstate 94 between mile markers 68 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 68 and 74. This includes First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University, Prairie State College, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.